Hello little friends, welcome to my color board. Let's start. Today we're going to learn the ABCs. Let's start with letter A. Letter A, yellow color. A is for apple, apple. Letter A. And then let's write the letter B, orange color. B is for ball, ball. B for baby, baby, letter B. And then let's write letter C, yellow again. C for car, C for candy, candy. Good job, guys. And then let's write letter D. D is for dog, D for daddy, daddy, daddy. And then here we have letter E, yellow color. E for elephant, E for egg, egg. Here we have letter F, orange color. F for fish, F for fairy, fairy. And then here we have letter G for girl, girl. G is for girl, perfect. Now here we have A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Perfect. Now let's learn H to N. Let's write letter H. Sky blue color. H is for horse, horse, horse. And then let's write letter I. Light green color. I for ice cream, ice cream. Now here we have letter J. Sky blue color. J for jelly, J for jam, jam. And then letter K, light green. K for kites, kites, kite. Perfect. Now here we have letter L. L is for lion, L is for light, light. And then here we have letter M. Light green color, letter M. Perfect. M for monkey, monkey. M for mango, mango. N is for needle, needle. H, I, J, K, L, M, and N. Now let's learn letter O to letter U. Perfect. First, let's write with red. I love red. Letter O is for all. O for orange, O for all, O. And then letter P is pink color. P for pink, pink. Letter P is pink. And then here we have letter Q, red color. Q for queen, queen. Q for queen. Good job, guys. Here we have letter R. R is for rain, rain. S is for snake, snake. S for snake. Good job, guys. And then let's write letter T. T for tie, T for tiger, tiger. U for umbrella, umbrella. Umbrella. U for umbrella. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Let's learn V to Z. Let's write letter V with orange. Do you like orange? And then here we have letter W. W is for whale, whale, yellow color. V for vampire, And W is for whale. Perfect. V, W, and then let's write letter X. Orange color, letter X for X-ray, X-ray. Y for yo-yo, yo-yo, Y for yellow, yellow, letter Y is yellow. Good job, guys, and then let's write letter Z. Perfect. Now, let's sing a song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me, guys? Now we know our ABCs. Here we have an alphabet puzzle. So let's solve it. Okay, let's play a game. I love this game. Do you like puzzle solving? I'm obsessed with it. I can't wait to see it. Perfect. Okay, which one is the first letter? A. Perfect. It's true. Letter A for apple. And then where is the second letter? The second letter is letter B. Where is it? Here. B for ball. And which one is the third letter? I think it's letter C. Yes, that's right. Letter C for cat. Cat. And then letter D. Perfect. D for dog. D for daddy. Daddy. And then here we have, which letter is that? E. Good job, guys. E for elephant. Elephant. F for fairy. Fairy. Where is J? Is it letter G? Yes, it's the letter G for girl. Good girl. And where is H? H for horse. Horse. Letter H is pink. Wow, my ring is also pink. I have a Barbie ring. I'm obsessed with it. Isn't it so cute? I love it. Okay. Now, where is I? I can see it. Wow, here is the letter I for igloo, I for igloo, I for ice cream, I, ice cream. And then J is for jelly, J for jam. K is for kites, kites, kites. L is for lights, L is for lights. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for needle, needle. N for needle. O is for orange, orange. P is for pink, pink. Q is for queen, queen. R for rain, rain. S is for snail, snail. T for tiger, T is for tie, tie. U for umbrella, umbrella. V for vampire, vampire. W is for whale, whale. X for X-ray, X-ray. And then Y for yo-yo, Z for zoo. Perfect. Now let's sing with me. Let's sing the ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me, guys? Now we know our ABCs. Perfect. And now we are done. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See ya next video. Bye-bye.